Dear students, it is 11th entrepreneurship, and the last topic I would like to say it is the last topic of your text. It is ownership pattern in micro and small enterprises in India. Ownership pattern in micro and small enterprises in India. इन हिंदुस्तान में जो छोटी सनतें हैं, छोटे कारोबार हैं, तो उनकी मिल्कियत का ओनरशिप का तरीका क्या है? हिंदुस्तान में छोटी सन्नतों की ओनरशिप का, उसकी मिल्कियत का तरीका क्या है? जैसा कि हमने जान लिया कि मुख्तलिफ जो बिजनेस ओनरशिप अवेलेबल है इंडिया में इंटरप्रीनियर्स के लिए कि वो अपना ये बिजनेस पैटर्न, बिजनेस वे आउट, इंटरप्राइज सिलेक्ट कर सकें। ये जो है पैटर्न ऑफ ओनरशिप जो है, ये पूरे भारत में जो स्मॉल स्केल इंटरप्राइजेज हैं उनके लिए जो यहाँ पे राइज है, वो तरीका जब से शुरू हुआ है तब से आज तक ये तरीका चलता आ रहा है। जैसा कि हम यहाँ मुख्तलिफ इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बारे में देखेंगे। अगर हम देखते हैं फ्लोर मिल्स, हम देखेंगे कि इनकी ओनरशिप का तरीका क्या है, सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में कितना है, पार्टनरशिप में कितना है, कोऑपरेटिव्स में कितना है, कंपनी में कितना है। अगर हम इसको 100% लें फ्लोर मिल्स का, तो उसमें प्रोप्राइटरशिप जो है वो 36.4% है, पार्टनरशिप का जो है वो 49.1% है, कोऑपरेटिव्स का इसमें नहीं चलता है, कंपनी का इसमें नहीं चलता है, और टोटल हमने 100 लिया है। इस तरह से कुछ हम लेंगे, जैसे प्रिंटिंग प्रेस है, ये सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में ज़्यादा चलता है, यानी एक ही मिल्कियत के तहत ये प्रिंटिंग प्रेस सिस्टम जो इंडिया में चलता जा रहा है। तो इसमें 52% जो है सेल जो है वो प्रोप्राइटरशिप में होती है, और पार्टनरशिप में 28%, और उसके साथ ये जो सिर्फ कोऑपरेटिव्स में नहीं चलता है, और कंपनी टाइप इसकी मिल्कियत नहीं है। लेदर जो है मोस्टली वो इसी लेदर, इट इज़ 62.0% in sole proprietorship, and then it is 32.0% it is in partnership. So it is also not going in the ownership is not going in the form of cooperatives or companies. If we will start the cooperative or the company, it is, if we will take hosiery, it is 63% in sole proprietorship, partnership 25%, cooperatives 1%. Wooden furniture and fixtures 60% in sole proprietorship, partnership 30%, and 8%, 30%, and cooperatives 1.0%. Taking all these things, all these industries in different forms of their ownership, we say that this system is going on in India, that different industries, taking their nature into consideration, we say that they go differently in different ownerships. If we will see the family partnership, it is just related to proprietorship. We cannot differentiate the two, family partnership and the proprietorship. So these are taken as one. We cannot take these separately. At the same time, when we say cooperatives, they are just treated as company type of ownership. And after that, we will take the business ownership used in small enterprise in India. In total, when we say sole proprietorship, It is 87.46% in India. Partnership is 11.68. Company type is 0.86. Total is 100. So this is the total ownership pattern in India. 87.46 percentage it is sole proprietorship, partnership 11.68, and company type of ownership it is 0.86. So this is the total ownership pattern in India. And when we say the ownership structure in small enterprises, it is indicated that 87.87% share it is in all enterprises. So small scale, this enterprise, it is this share in Indian industry, it is 87%. We can say that in every 10 small enterprises, 9 belong to proprietorship from business ownership. This partnership, when we say partnership, it is the second largest form of ownership after proprietorship. But this small scale enterprise, it is mostly prevailing in India in terms of ownership. The reason for that is that India has started its industrial setup with sole proprietorship form of organization. The reason is that it has not a complex this start or beginning. The rules and regulations are not hard and fast. Any person can start a sole proprietorship, and at the same time, partnership has not any hard and fast legal proceedings. So these two forms, these partnership and the sole proprietorship, these can easily be started. So this is the end of our this entrepreneurship text. We have completed it by now. All the topics have been touched, and dear students, if you will try your best, your exams are now very near, so you have to be very pertinent about that. You have to go through these lectures, and inshallah you will get through in your exams. So this is the last chapter that we have discussed today, that was the ownership of micro and small enterprises in India. Thanks.